Welcome, viewers, future artists. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of drawing, and our mouse is something we all use daily, a water bottle. Grab your sketchbook and pencils because we are about to bring this water bottle to life on paper. Start with a simple outline of the bottle's shape. Don't worry about perfection. Now let's add those curves and contours. Imagine the light dancing on the surface on the bottle. Let's give our bottle some character by adding a label or brand. Get creative with young imaginary logo. Add some shadow beneath the bottle to ground it. This simple touch adds depth and realism. Work on the details. Maybe your bottle has a textured surface or unique features. Let your imagination run wild. Outline the label and feel free to add some doodles or patterns. This is where your personal style shines. Check the proportions. Is everything look balanced? Time to bring out those vibrant colors. What's your favorite hue for the bottle? For our digital, check the proportions. For our digital artists, layering is key. Build up those colors and details step by step. Don't forget reflections. Add a subtle shine to the bottle to make it look glossy and realistic. Zoom out and appreciate your progress. Share your tips for capturing shine and transparency. Consider adding some background music or a voice over. Thank you so much for watching this video.